To complete the formal observation using Sibme, first I'm going to go to the Sibme app on my phone and sign in. From there, I will be in my workspace, and what I want to do is start with that green plus, start synced notes. When you click that, it's going to record using your phone whatever your phone's camera sees. So I would set this up either in the back of the room where you can see the whole class, or maybe towards the front of the room where you can see and hear what your teacher candidate is doing. So when I click Start Synced Notes, it's going to go into this side angle, and then I'll set my phone down to record my little student teacher, Dwight, here, and I'll click the red Start button. Now, when it starts recording, you're going to be able to access this video on your laptop. So I'm going to switch over to laptop view. Now, here on the web app, you can see I'm in my workspace. And this live recording is currently running. When I open it, I'm not going to be able to see what is being recorded, but I can watch what's happening in the classroom in front of me, or on my phone what's being recorded. And as I'm watching, you can see the timer is running. This clock is showing me how long it's been recording. And so I'm just going to type what I'm seeing, all right? So I'm watching my student teacher right now, and I notice that she does a great job pulling a student into the discussion. So right here, as she's doing, I'm going to say, great job pulling that student into the discussion. I know he doesn't normally talk, so I'm glad you noticed him and made him feel part of the conversation. Now I add that comment, it pops up over here, and throughout the entire lesson, whether it's 15 minutes or an hour, I can keep adding comments. Now, when I'm done, I'm going to go back to my phone and stop the recording. It might take longer to upload, depending on how long the video is. It can take up to a couple of hours, in fact, so give it a little bit of time to fully upload. But you can see, because I did a fairly short video, it's uploading pretty quickly. And once it's uploaded, you and your teacher candidate can watch back through together, or later when your teacher candidate is home and has some time to look back through it, they can watch the video and notice exactly what you were noticing. Here is my student teacher, Dwight, and that I recorded. And as I was recording, I took those notes. So you can see this one timestamp comment is here at 1:39. So you can see that I put this comment with a timestamp. Now, when your teacher candidate is watching, they can see so many things that they don't notice when they're in the moment. And so this amazing tool really lets them see what you were seeing, so that when they're reflecting back on what happened, they can see more than what they noticed in the moment. I think this is a really amazing tool, and I hope you'll give it a try.